Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat, also known as fake snapping. This method allows you to send a snap from your photo gallery without it showing any filters. Let's dive in. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Bypass filters instead of using filters. Exit the Snapchat app and go to your device's app store. Search for OV Editor. Look for OV Editor in the App Store and download it. Open OV Editor. Once downloaded, open OV Editor on your device. Choose Photo. Select the photo you want to send as a snap from your device's gallery. Edit the photo as desired using the editing tools in OV Editor. Select Snapchat Crop. Choose the Snapchat Crop option to resize the image to fit Snapchat's dimensions. Save and finish. After editing, save the photo and finish the process. Return to Snapchat. The edited photo will now appear in your Snapchat camera roll. Send as snap. Select the edited photo from your Snapchat camera roll and send it as a snap to your friends or add it to your story. No indication of filter. The snap will appear as a regular photo without any indication of being edited, allowing you to fake a snap seamlessly. By following these steps, you can easily send pictures as snaps on Snapchat without holding the camera. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.